Mingaw kayo ang dalan, guys. Today is Sunday. Family day, church day, whatever day. Char. So my plan for this morning, for this day is labadami. Labadami, guys. Laba, ang dami. Ang dami. Uhot na. Uhot na, guys. Ting-ani ba ya karon sa bansalan? I'm coming. Hagdaw na to, guys. Kaya ang dami dito, guys. Ang dami. Dami. Dami means daghan. Dami means dagami. Dagami. Dami. Oh, wrong call. Mali pala yun. Char. Nagkamali yung aking spoken in dollars. Dollars. Dollars.